Understanding the Public Sector in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an important term often used in discussions about economics and government, the public sector. Whether you're learning English for professional or personal reasons, understanding this concept is key to grasping news and conversations about how countries operate. Let's dive in. The public sector refers to the part of an economy that is controlled by the government. It includes government-run and funded services and enterprises. Examples are public schools, national defense, and public roads. Unlike the private sector, which is run by private individuals or companies and aims for profit, the public sector focuses on providing services for the public good. 1. Government services. These are services provided directly by the government. For example, law enforcement, public education, and healthcare in some countries. 2. Public enterprises. These are companies owned by the government. They might sell goods or services, but their main goal isn't to make profits, but rather to serve the public interest. 3. Funding and budgeting. A key aspect of the public sector is how it's funded, mainly through taxes and government borrowing. Budgeting in the public sector determines how resources are allocated to various services. The public sector plays a crucial role in society. It ensures the provision of essential services that might not be profitable but are necessary for the well-being and development of a country. It also helps in redistributing wealth and reducing inequalities through services like Social Security and public health care. Understanding the difference between the public and private sectors is crucial. The private sector is driven by profit and includes businesses owned by individuals or companies. In contrast, the public sector is not profit-driven and aims to serve the public interest. Both sectors often interact and depend on each other in various ways. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the public sector in English. Remember, this term is pivotal in understanding how governments and economies function. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of English language learning. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.